Hello, welcome guys. Welcome in today's video. So in this video we will learn what is Zustand and why this is getting so much popularity, and what is the benefit of using Zustand in your React project. Okay, so we will learn everything about Zustand in just one video in 10 minutes only, and we will create a demo example. I will show you. So this demo we will show, and we will write the code, and I will explain everything to you. So this is a simple example, and you will learn the basics of Zustand easily. Okay, so before moving to writing the code, we need to understand what is Zustand. So Zustand is basically a state management solution. Okay, as you can see here also, this is a state management tool with which we can manage our React application state. Okay, so it is like redux but much better than redux. Okay, redux is also being used for state management since so long, but now this is time to change the redux for a betterment. So now Zustand is there, and if you learn Zustand, you will forget about redux and you will start using Zustand in your project. It is very simple and very minimalistic. Okay, and you can see this bundle size is only 1.2 KB. Can you imagine? The bundle size is 1.2 KB only. So this is very basic and very minimalistic library, and it can be scalable also. You can use it in your full-fledged project also. This is not something very small or for only small project or something. This can be used for any large project also, and this is very easy to learn and very straightforward. Okay, and all the APIs are using hooks basically. So in React we are familiar with the hooks concept. So the same concept is being used in Zustand also. So you will feel much more comfortable using Zustand as compared to Redux. Okay, so in this example, so there are two components basically. One is first component, second another is this one component. Okay, so whatever I will show you state management using these two components in this today's video. So if I enter something, if I say hello, then you can see this is the component where I am storing the value. When I enter value, I am storing value in the state. Okay, in Zustand state, and then I am directly receiving that value and showing to the user. So here I am setting into the store, and here I am getting from the store. Okay, this is the very simple example, and from this one example you will easily understand how Zustand works. Okay, so let's jump into the code now. Okay, so here let me show you first. There are two things. This is my app. Okay, inside this app there are first component and second component. So very simple. And this inside this first component, I already have create UI, so that I don't want to waste your time. I will just focus on Zustand now. Okay, so there is a simple div is there for first component. Okay, div is there, and input box. Here we can enter the text, and inside this second component, in this second component, there is a div, and inside this div there is a blank paragraph. Here we will use that data, whatever will come in the state. So this is blank as of now because we don't have any state right now. So let me start using Zustand now. Okay, so let me stop this server for the time being. So first of all, we have to install Zustand in our project. npm install Zustand. This is very simple. Okay guys, so Zustand is installed in our project now. So if we see here in package.json, Zustand is installed as a dependency for us. Here is Zustand in the dependency section. So Zustand is a dependency for project now. So we will use now the second step is we have to create a store first of all. Okay, so store is a collection where all our state data will stay. Okay, so let me create a store now. I will create store inside this source folder. Okay, store is very simple. I have to create a store.js file. Okay, so guys, this store is very minimalistic, very less data we have to give to this store to create this store. So let me import create. Okay, create method is provided by Zustand from Zustand. Okay, so now we will use this create method to create our store. Now const use store. So use store can be anything. This is just a variable name. Use store can be anything, any name you can give to your store. Use store equals to, then create. This is the create method, and this create method will take one callback. Okay, Okay, so inside this callback we will get a function as a parameter set. Okay, so guys, you don't need to worry about this set function. So Justand will automatically pass into this create method, and you don't need to worry for that. You just need to follow these steps only. It's very easy. So in this part we will create our store basically. Okay, so I will take one variable because I have to store the text in from that text box. So I will say text, and then I will say text is, I will keep blank as a default, and second I will use setter method set text. It can be anything, whatever you want to give it the name, and then I will say new text, whatever is coming, new text. Then I have to use set is provided by Justand only, and inside this you have to just update your variable text and new text. Okay, that's it guys. So okay, why it is giving error, we have to use this. Okay, now it is good. Okay, and one more here. Yeah, it is good now. Okay, so we just created a store. Okay, this store has only one store variable, this is text, and we have defined a setter method for this text. Okay, so use it text, and this will be the setter method for this text variable. And now if we will receive new text and then we will use this set method from Justand, and will update the store here. Okay, store variable. So that's it. So our store is done guys. Now we have to export this one. Export default use store. Okay, that's it guys. So this is our store, a cute little store. Okay, we will use this store now. So we will go inside this first component first of all, where we have to set our data from input box to our store, right? So for that we have to first of all use this import use store. So this is our store now, from store. Okay, now guys, we have as I said, this is a hook based. So if you remember using use state hook, okay, just similar is that const, this is very similar, text and set text. Okay, set text. Now similar to use state, I will use store. Okay, that's it. Okay, these two methods are available now to us as like use state. So now this is our use store hook, and now this is available for us. Okay, so similarly we will use these two things now. Okay, so now we have to on input box on text change, we have to write some change handler. Okay, so we say on change handle change. Okay, and now we will create a function with this handle with the name handle change, const handle change. Okay, so inside this we will just update our our store set text. Okay, we already have this method, and e.target dot value. Okay, now our, okay guys, so this is very simple, like you are using a use state hook in your component, right? It is just simple as that. So you have to just use store from the store, use store. Okay, and the use store will give you these two text and this set text. Okay, so you are using set text, so you have to use so you have to give this value as a text also. Got it? Okay, cool. So now we are able to store this data when we change. Okay, it should store now. So let me try in the server. We have to start the server now, npm start. Okay, so guys, it is storing the data inside state, but we are not using in second component, so there is no data is being shown in second component. So data is being stored inside our store, but we are not using in second component. We are not fetching that data, we are just setting the data as of now. So we will now fetch the data in second component. Okay, now we will go to second component. Second component is very simple, guys. So here if we see, similarly we have to import use store also. Again, import use store. Okay, now from use store const and then text. Okay, now use store, that's it. Okay guys, so from use store now we are getting text. Okay, and we will show this text here. Done. That's it guys. Just end is that much simple. Okay, so now you can see, let me show you the output. Okay, so whatever you enter now, when you enter something, that is being stored inside our state, and then it is automatically being read by our second component from the store. Okay, so this was very simple and straightforward example of storing the data and fetching the data from the store. So I hope you got some idea from Just End how we can use in our React project. Okay, so in coming days guys, I will create a proper playlist for Just End, and it will be covering each and everything, like API calling and asynchronous methods calling and everything. So, and I will compare Just End with the redux also thoroughly. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will keep posting these kind of informative videos. Okay, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and if share with your friends also, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.